Hi Daniel, hope you are doing well. So let me explain in this video how you can use this Notion template. So first of all, here your workspace name Daniel, and here is the template name like 2026 map. So here is the banner and template name. Here is the guidance of this template. When you click here, so here you can read everything like how any new person how can use this Notion template. So then you need to click here again, and then this is the dashboard of this tracker. So this is the complete our dashboard view, and a daily habit log will be shown here, and you just need to like edit page and put according to your need. Then task tracker will be shown here, by weekly task, monthly task, yearly task. Then next life planner will be shown here like weekly, monthly, yearly, same. And here is the similar like time frame, weekly and monthly, so etc. And this is the most important thing in this template is navigation section. Like here you can see task and goal, habit tracker, general reading, life areas, finance areas, database. Let explain task goal section. So when we open this task and goal page, so task tracker will be shown here like weekly, monthly, yearly, all tasks. Then active goal will be shown here. Then overdue task will be shown here. Smart goal tracker will be shown here by category, by monthly goal, by uh, quarterly goal, yearly goal, all. Then next is if you want to go back, you just need to click home section button, so you will turn back. The second is habit tracker. So in habit tracker, so here you can track every task, daily task here, weekly task here, monthly task here, and all tasks will be shown here. Okay, then monthly habit tracker will be shown here in this like graph view. Then this is habit state by November, this month, etc. Then next page is general and reading. So here general card will be weekly show here, monthly will be show here, and all will be show here, you can see. And reading logs will be show here by all books, status board, and favorite, you can see. And the next page is finance area. So in finance tracker, monthly income expenses tracker will be show here, and all transaction will be show here by month, etc. You can see. And by categories like salary, rent, groceries, freelance, entertainment, investment, even you can add new one. And last is database. So this is the database, we don't need to touch this one, it is the backbone of this complete whole system. So this is the quick action, like if you want to add any something like a new task, new goal, new planner, new general expensive, income, something, you just need to click here. When you click here, new tasks, so page will be new page will be open, and here you need to put information that you want. So this is overview of this habit tracker. So you can review it and let me know if you have any further question of this. So if everything is good, I request you go on Upwork, accept the milestone and project, and leave a good feedback about our experience. Thank you, Daniel. Have a good experience with you.